Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert Postbox to OLM. Search on Google Recovery Tools Postbox Migrator. Click on Download. Convert your Postbox emails. Convert your Postbox contacts and calendars. Postbox data conversion options. Auto-detect Postbox data file. Manual selection of Postbox data file. Check the folder. Click on OLM. Select Destination folder. Trial version converts limited 25 items by license to get the unlimited access. Buy activate the software here. Converted OLM file.